then last week, about a week and a half ago, I saw on LinkedIn, one of our reps, I think it was a rep or a manufacturer, did meet the team. And I'm like, I like that.
Yeah.
So I highlighted Susie Schultes, and that got the highest rating. I was talking to her this morning, highest rating out of all my posts.
Yeah.
The impressions were the highest I've ever gotten. We had a lot of comments. Thank you, Walter Topin, by the way. We had a lot of people comment, and there were people sharing the post, and that's how you get visible.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's good. And it's humanizing, right? Showing the face of your team. It's also giving a little bit more relationship building. I think that's good.
Relationship building. Yeah. And then what I found, and I also learned this when we were at the ERA conference in the breakout session that you were in, is that typically our own personal pages get more hits than the company page.
Yeah.
So when I share a post, my page, the Luscombe Engineering in San Francisco page, and then I push that out to our team, and they turn, especially when it has to do with our manufacturers, because they're the ones with the engineering contacts.
Yeah.
I don't really have the engineering contacts. I've got our manufacturers, our distributors, that's who I have.
Yeah, and you expand.
That's how you do it.
That's good. And I really like that. And I like that you're going on both, vehicles, if you want to say that. And I think if I look at myself as well, if I see something, I more follow that person that mentioned the company or mentioned that NPI they had or some new cool product, right? And that's how I see it. And then I will end on that manufacturer's page. If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.